This is the recorder music for Hot Cross Buns, along with the steps in order to learn and practice the song. Boys and girls, as you remember from class, we talked about 4 steps in order to learn and practice the song. The first step was clap the rhythm, say the rhythm. Clap the rhythm, say the rhythm. Clap the rhythm, say the rhythm. The second step was clap the rhythm, say the letter name. In this case, the letter A, but it could be any letter. Clap the rhythm, say the letter. Clap the rhythm, say the letter. Next, we did step 3. Say the letter, play the fingers. Say the letter, play the fingers. Say the letter, play the fingers. And step 4 was play the fingers, practice the tonguing, or practice the tonguing. Say the fingers, practice tonguing. Play the fingers, practice tonguing. All right, so let's start with step 1. Here's our song, Hot Cross Buns. The first step was, you remember? Clap the rhythm, say the rhythm. So let's clap these notes. Half notes first. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, hold that whole note. Half note, hold that whole note. Ta, 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 ta. Half note, hold that whole note. And if you notice, there's a repeat sign. You would go back and practice that again. Next step was clap the rhythm, say the letters. So now let's say the letters while we clap. This first one here, how did we figure that out? Well, if you remember our saying, every good boy does fine, every good boy deserves fudge, whatever you want to use, that's fine. E, G, B, D, F. Line 1 is E, line 2 G, line 3 is B. So I know our first note is B. And then we move down to a space. Remember, when you see space, the space is between your fingers, think face. F-A-C-E. F-A, space number 2 is A. And last but not least, our third note here. Let's use our saying again, every good boy does fine, because it's a line, so we're going to use our fingers. Every good, so it's going to be G. So now we have B-A-G. That spells bag. Interesting. What about this part? Do you see a pattern? B-A-G. Oh my goodness. What's going to happen here? Uh-oh. This note is on the same line as this note. So you don't even have to move your fingers. It's the same note. G, 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 G. And this note moves up by 1. We already know this is on a space, and it is A, B, A, G. Look, that's the same as this and this, except there is a repeat at the end. All right, now let's try clapping it and saying the letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. All right, nice. Now we're ready to move on to step 3. Practice the letter names and play the fingers. So make sure you get your recorder in ready position. Make sure you're using your left hand on top. You can do that by getting the Statue of Liberty position, grabbing the foot joint, then checking here, you can pinch down on our first finger for our first note, B. So we can already prepare by holding down on B. B, A, G, B, A, G. Remember, B is one finger on top and the thumb on the bottom. If you hear this, and it's a high squeaky noise and it shouldn't be, you're probably not covering up the thumb on the back all the way. Make sure you cover that thumb up. And the next note was A. So we went B, A. And the last note, G, with all 3 fingers on top. 1, 2, 3. You can think 3 fingers, G fingers. All right, let's play the fingerings, but say the letters. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, final step, but 2 warnings. First warning, be careful when you're switching your finger from G here to G. Do you even need to lift your finger up? Nope, you can just leave it right there. Also remember, when you get to these quarter notes, they're ta, 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 nice and steady. Make sure you're not doing T, 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 T. That'd be too fast. I hear a lot of students play that sometimes, so be very careful. All right, time for us to practice. Let's try it out. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Great job. Keep practicing, take it nice and slow, and you'll be your white belt in no time.